Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is KHALID Mahmud, your online trainer. In today's video, we are going to create this awesome looking exercise 44 using only a few basic AutoCAD commands. So even you are a beginner, so don't worry. I will guide you through every step in a very simple and easy way. So make sure to stay till the end and let's get started. Step 1. First, we will draw the horizontal and vertical center line. These are essential for positioning everything very perfectly. And next, draw a square of 10 into 10 unit right at the center. This will act your base reference. So activate command line L for line. Click on first point and put a value 70. Press enter. As same as select this line using RO for rotate, click on the center point, C for copy and click it here. Select both line, go to properties, color as a red and line type, it will be center line. Okay. Now need to create these shape as a square. So using REC for rectangle command, click on first point, put D for dimension value 10, enter, again 10, enter. Click on specific point. Select this square using M for move. Click on this center point and click here. Now step 2. Draw the circle. Now let's draw two concentric circle. One with a diameter 45, this one, and second 60 diameter. Okay, this circle will help you to create thus rectangular teeth and perfect alignment. So just using C for circle command, click on the center point and put a D for diameter 45, enter. Again C for circle, click on the center point, D for diameter 60. Now need to convert these two circles as a center circle using MA for match command. Select this line to this circle. Now step 3. Create the first triangle as a teeth. As you see in this diagram, this one is a triangle in our drawing. So we need to create this one. Using line command, we'll now the first triangle between two circles. Make sure the angles are accurate. First one as a 25 and second one as a 30 as shown in this diagram. So we need to create first this line. Okay, this one is a angle will be 25. So how can you draw? Using L for line command, create a line, click on first point and put a value 20. Press enter. Now select this line using RO for rotate. Click on this upper point and put a value minus 25. Press enter. Now select this line using M for move. Click on this upper side and put it here. If you see, this one is a for 25. So use DAN for dimension angular command. Click this line to this line. If you check very properly, so need to trim this one. Now step 4. Use array command. We will use a polar array command to repeat this triangle around the circle. If you see there, if you count this one from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can select this one. Use ARRAY array polar. Select on the center point and put a value as an item 12. Press enter. Now close this array. As same as if you see very carefully, from this line end point to this line end point, we need to join as a triangle from here to here. Okay, so now using L for line command, click on this point to this point. As same as select this one using array polar command, click on the center point and put a value as an item 12. Press enter. Now close this one. Select all the diagram except the center line. So deselect all the centers, lines and circle. Go to properties. Line thickness, it will be 0.30. Now step 5. Final adjustment. Let's clean up the construction line and check the symmetry. Zoom out and admire the pattern. It's clean and precise. Now step 6. Add dimension. So you can add dimension using DLI for dimension linear command. Press enter. Select this part and also this part. Select this dimension. Go to annotation. I already create a multiple dimension style. So we now select this one. Match this one. Now use DDI for dimension diameter command. Select this circle and also select this circle. Now MA for match command. Match this one to this one. Just adjust your dimension. After add dimension, your drawing looks like that. And that's it. You have completed exercise 44 step by step in AutoCAD. I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and drop a comment below with which exercise you would like to see next. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more precise AutoCAD exercise and tutorial. And if you want to support us and support our content, consider clicking the join button. So thank you. Thanks for your time. Tata, bye bye, take care. Keep practicing, keep designing, keep growing.